Hi, welcome to Healthie's video on building intake and charting forms. Healthie forms make it easy for you to collect detailed patient information, have patients sign necessary agreements related to their care, and electronically take notes on your patients in an organized way. This can all be done using customized templates built specifically for your practice. In this video, we'll learn how to create a new intake form or charting template, use Healthie's form builder, and edit existing forms. Let's begin in our Forms library, which we can locate by selecting Forms in the left-hand menu. Here you'll find all form templates that live within your account. If you are new to Healthie, you will see some pre-built forms in your library already. These forms can be edited for your business branding and needs. We'll cover how to edit these forms in a moment. You'll notice that Healthie forms are organized by categories, including intake forms, charting forms, and program forms. Intake forms typically refer to paperwork that you'd like new or existing clients to complete. Charting templates are the forms for providers to chart with during sessions, and program forms are for those additional forms that are created for and added to an automated online program. To create a new form, select Create Form in the upper right corner. Name your form and click Submit. When first created, your form will by default be created as an intake form. If you'd like to build a charting template instead, navigate to the Options button in the upper right corner and select Convert to Charting Form. Now you'll see the pre-fill option available, which is unique to charting forms. In this case, we'll convert our form here back to an intake form. After naming your form, you'll be taken into the form builder view we see here. The form builder allows you to customize the form 100%. You can add questions and fields depending on the information that you need in that form. You'll see a question bank section on the left-hand side. To build your form, simply drag the field from the question bank over to the right. Your form will continue to build in this style, and it will automatically save as you work on it. In the question banks dropdown, we have several categories. The first is default. These questions and fields are essentially general types of fields that you can customize. For example, if you want to ask a multiple choice question about how patients learned about you, you can select the field for multiple choice, drag it to the right, and then click Edit to indicate the question and options. The matrix field allows you to build a custom table within your form. This allows you to more easily display or collect information from a patient via text or checkbox options. The next question bank is charting. These are common fields that you would see and need on a charting form. Again, you can drag and drop the field and edit them if necessary. Then we have client info. These fields are for basic patient information such as demographics or metrics. These fields are all smart fields, which means that they will populate into the patient profile in Healthie when either the patient fills them out in an intake form or you, as the provider, fill them out on a charting note. Next, we have the agreement question bank, which provides options that allow you to include text for an agreement using the read-only field, or the signature field to collect an e-signature. The HIPAA question bank has templated language around HIPAA compliance for you to optionally use as part of a HIPAA agreement form. And next, we have the video question bank, which includes a video question field allowing you to embed a video within your form. Lastly, we have copied fields. These fields allow you to copy patient information from an intake form to a charting note. To create a copied field, click on the Copy button next to the field in your form that you would like to map to a charting note. This will populate the field in the Copied Field question bank. This way, you can then add it to your charting template. Copied fields essentially store a single piece of information across multiple forms. Under Edit, you can also mark any field as required so that patients cannot skip it. To rearrange your questions and fields, simply drag and drop them into the correct order. And if you'd like to add a logo to your form, you can utilize the Read Only field in the Agreement question bank. Again, we would go to Agreement and then drag and drop that Read Only field here. Click Edit on that field, and to add a logo, select Insert or Edit Image. Find and upload your logo and format as needed. You can also delete the title field here and optionally add any other information to create a professional header for your form. To preview your form at any time, select the Options button and click Preview. In addition to creating new forms, you may also edit an existing form at any time. From your Forms library, simply navigate to the form you'd like to edit. Under the three dots all the way to the right of the form, you'll see the option to edit. Here you may also archive or delete a form as well. Alternatively, you can simply click right on the name of the form to edit it. You'll again be taken into the Form Builder view. You can edit, add, remove, and reorder any questions as needed. You can also once again find options to manage your form under the Options button. Here you can preview, copy or duplicate your form, rename your form, download a PDF version of your form, and much more.